Statistics module is one of the most powerful tools in Project Target. We will check how it looks on another example because of a number of inputs we have. This organization is much more complex than the one we inserted in previous videos. In the Statistics module, you can track everything about your performance or performance of your departments or sales reps, depending on the permissions you have. You can see different groups of data sorted by type. We will start with department's performance. Once again, we will show you another example of a company because of the number of inputs we have. Click on Department's Performance. You can see two tabs, Sales Insight and Sales Trends. In Sales Insight, you can check sum of sales per department, all sales versus verified sales, and sum of sales. Choose in Filter what do you want to track. First select Period and you will see all departments in chart and their standings. You can see sum of sales per product group. If you want to check all sales versus verified sales, select the filter Date Range. The graph shows percentage of verified sales. You can select one product group or department. Sum of sales shows total value of all sales. You can select it by product group or department depending on your needs. In Sales Trends tab, you can see a sum of sales per month, sum of sales per day, sum of sales per month and per department, and sum of sales per day and per department. Let's check how this works. Like in previous cards, you need to select the period. The chart shows in which month the most sales were performed. Sum of sales per day shows which day is the most successful. Sum of sales per month and per department shows you a table with the performance of your department sorted by months. Sum of sales per day and per department shows you a table with the performance of your departments sorted by days. Based on these statistics, you can make business decisions. Let's look at users' performance now. In this section, you can see three tabs, Sales Insight, Sales Trends, and Activity Monitoring. Top Performance card shows top selling performance per department in a selected period. In this card, you can see the sum of sales per user in a selected period. Let's check Sales Trends now. In this card, you can see the performance of your users in selected period, sorted by the latest sales. In Activity Monitoring tab, you can see which platforms your sales reps use the most. Did they read notifications? In which period of the day are they most active? And their login list. We will skip Customers Overview because we don't insert any data. If you have product groups, our Statistics module can give you really useful info. Click on Product Statistics card and you will see three tabs, Sales Insight, Goal Achievements, and Sales Accumulation. In Sales Insight, you can see product groups and product sales. We will select Date Range and our system will show overall sales sorted by product groups and products. You can go deeper, selecting departments or users and track their performance. You can see the percentage of sales sorted by product groups. Product groups present in sales in a selected period. Results are returned based on the user's permissions. Top selling products shows which product has the biggest value. Product per sale shows an average number of products sold per sale in a selected period. In Goal Achievements tab, you can see product group's goal achievement per period. Choose department or user which you want to track, and you can see the standings of your goals sorted by product groups. On the left side is your target, and on the right is your value. In Sales Accumulation tab, you can see product group sales accumulated per period. Select the filter department, target type, and date range, and you will see statistics of accumulated sales sorted by product groups. Let's check advanced statistics now. In this section, you have 4 tabs: Organization, Location, Sales Insights, and KPIs. In this card, you can see a complete organization performance overview. Select and filter parameters which you want to track. In this card, you can see statistics of the whole organization in one place, sorted by hierarchy. In the Location tab, you can see the sum of sales per country or per city. In our case, we have one country and one city. In Sales Insight, you can track sales per customers and sales per departments. KPIs stands for Key Performance Indicators. Choose which department or users you want to track, select date range and product group. In this table, you can see departments, efficiency, average deal, closing percentage, and value.